Sana before ka. Ito na siya lahat.
Yeah.
Egg yolk. First egg yolk. Add oil. Add vanilla.
Add vanilla.
Vanilla.
And milk.
Fresh milk. Egg yolk, vanilla,
Milk,
fresh
add oil, add vanilla. Fresh
milk. Whisk.
banana.
Next, after it, add banana. And whisk. Just mix. Then put the flour. Sift. Then,
Spelling sagsip ate.
yeah, just mix.
Yes.
Baka ganyan lang, folding. Ganyan ang pag-whisk, hindi kagaya sa
Ay!
madilayin.
Oo, kasi para may buo-buo pa rin siya. May makain pa rin banana.
Beat the egg white. Add slowly the sugar and salt.
How many minutes?
At least,
1
ganyan.
minute and 30
This
seconds.
one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like
No, yeah. Pick ano siya. No running. Add into banana mixture. And whisk like this. Slowly. Okay. Folding ang gamit.
add the half.
Just mix half in the banana mixture. Then after that, add into egg yolk, egg white. Then fold.
Murgi man to tawag sa atin. Ano to?
Moringi.
Moringi. Add the half of egg white or
Fold until mix. Fold until mix.
yes.
Okay.
Add half of egg white or moringi into banana egg yolk.
Then
Mix
pour
it.
into molding.
Sure. Slowly.
Then use the pin
Slowly.
circle.
Mm.
to balance. Then bang,
Help me open.
open. Then put into oven.
36 minutes.
36 minutes. Then start. Oh,
Ano to? Gusto ko te? Kung ano te?